Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over how you would replace your tail light. So here we have a reverse light, here we have a clearance light, marker light, we have brake, marker light, we have turn indicator light, and we have a side marker light. So to replace all of these, it's fairly simple. And first we'll need to pop the hatch, and then we can gain access to each individual lights to be able to replace. So to start with, you pop the hatch. You'll be able to come back here inside the hatch, and so you just need to pop this cover off. So we pop that cover off, and then we'll gain access to the three lights back here. So first we're going to start with, we have the brake light, and so this is a brake light, also a clearance light. And so we'll just turn that a quarter turn to the left and be able to pull that out of the housing. And then we'll be able to pull this out and be able to get a new light. This light here is a 7443, so you get a new 7443 and be able to reinstall your 7443 into the connector, and then insert that in that, lining the larger and the smaller tabs up, because it only has really one direction to go in there, and turn that a quarter turn to the right to lock it into place. And so that's how you replace your brake light and marker light on your Mazda CX-5. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.